Hey guys, in today's video you will be checking out some of the best cold therapy machine for shoulders available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 6 we have Polar Cold Therapy Machine for Shoulder. This patent-pending programmable timer allows you to customize a personalized cooling. Never worry about the safety concerns of falling asleep with the unit on. This timer will cycle on and off per your set times for as long as needed. This ensures a safe, convenient and effective cold therapy treatment. And perfect for post-surgery pain management and relief day or night. At number 5 we have Osser Cold Therapy Machine for Shoulder. It is designed to reduce localized pain and swelling following surgical procedures or trauma. It offering ice-cold relief for post-operation discomfort. And reducing joint pain, inflammation and tenderness. It has improved joint function and quality of life. This ergonomic pads mimics the body's contours to provide localized treatment. At number 4 we have Circulating Cold Therapy Machine for Shoulder. It provides cool soothing relief for post-surgery swelling, joint pain and workout recovery. The 12-cord ice therapy machine includes a durable base unit, universal cold therapy pad, insulated tubing and carrying handle. It is designed for ease of use. The cooling therapy system is whisper quiet, compact, and easily portable with an integrated carry handle. At number 3 we have Physio Natural Cold Therapy Machine for Shoulder. It provides immediate relief from post-operative pain and acute injuries, such as sprains, strains and fractures. The cold therapy system by Physio Natural includes a 9-quart cooling reservoir, whisper quiet pump technology, and a large cold therapy pad that conforms to your shoulder. At number 2 we have Cold Therapy Machine for Shoulder. You can use it at home or on the go for targeted relief from pain. It is perfect for use in any space in the home and easy to empty. The easy on/off switch allows you to get your relief when you need it without confusing instructions. At number 1 we have Cryotherapy Cold Therapy Machine for Shoulder. This hot and cold water is quietly circulated through the leak-free hose to the pad. You may have any number of areas sorely in need of some relief, and the universal wrap can take care of them. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best cold therapy machine for shoulders for your need.